Matthew Bidwell joins us now to talk more about what this could potentially mean for workers and the overall economy. He's a professor of economics at the University of Pennsylvania's Wharton School of Business. Matt, welcome. Nice to have you here.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. Medium term, short and medium term, net, what impact do you think this will have on the overall economy?
I mean, on the overall economy, I would have thought tiny. Although we see more gig workers than we used to, they're still a fairly small fraction of the economy. And the proportion of them that are going to be affected by this, probably even smaller. So it's going to be very disruptive for small numbers of people. If you're affected, this is a big deal. But I think overall economy, it's not going to,
and for the
have a massive effect.
For the San Francisco economy, which is sizable, do we know yet what the impact might be?
We don't. I mean, as the report mentioned, there is a sense that the big companies that use these contractors potentially are going to see major new costs. Assuming that they actually do reclassify them as employees, I understand it. Uber and Lyft are sticking to their guns and saying these people are contractors. So in the immediate terms, it's going to be more about lawsuits than it is about kind of concrete costs.
So but
there is a potential for big costs.
If you had to divide it up into winners and losers, would you put employers strongly in the loser category?
Yes. I mean, some of these companies have created business models based on the idea that they can treat these workers as independent contractors, and they potentially are going to see big costs. Some of those costs may come down as they figure out how to organize their work around treating people as employees. But in the short term, yes, they face costs. That's why they've been fighting this.
So who are the winners? The individual employees, depending on how they view themselves?
Absolutely. I mean, I think in the government survey that was done a couple of years ago, about half of the people working as contractors, contingent workers, said that they wanted to be contingent workers, and about half would rather be in regular employment relationships. Those people who are kind of forced into this, who would rather be regular employees, they're big winners. I think the other people who are likely winners are people whose employers might otherwise be thinking about, could we cut costs by making these people contractors instead? And so I think the fact that you don't have this kind of competition from low-wage contracting could be good for a larger number of people as well.
Matthew Bidwell with the University of Pennsylvania's Wharton School of Business, thanks for joining us tonight.
Thank you.